most important levels. First of all, trend is going to be up. Of course, it's in an uptrend, but since it has risen in a kind of a vertical move, there's good chance that it can do a small correction, and the correction is an opportunity to go long. For me, I'm bullish for next week. So the only thing is, where would we look to buy, right? So I would like to buy it either at 23,840 levels or at 23,700 levels. So these two are strong supports, and this is a very good support zone. And if I get good candles, positive candles at any of these support levels, I wouldn't hesitate to go long, right? With a good risk reward. And on the upside, 24,145 is going to be a big resistance, and most likely Nifty should go to 24,292. So that's my expectation for next week. And as we said in the last week, Nifty did continue its uptrend, and it was really very bullish on every day. There was no chance to short except maybe for Friday. So when the trend is up, there's no point in trying to buck the trend and short. That's my philosophy. I just follow the trend. And sometimes when we are in a very overbought region, so it may not, anytime the trend can get changed, so we need to be careful. So only when there is a strong trend day, we should be trading, especially options long. Otherwise, it's a pretty neat pullback. If it pulls back, it would be very healthy for this uptrend to continue further. So that's my perspective for next week. Hope this was useful. Do let me know in your comments.